Hello everyone, my name is Lucky Mishak and I'm going to be teaching on how to use PICSART. This is PICSART to make designs. How to use your smartphone to make design with the aid of PICSART application. So this is PICSART. We're going to click on it. PICSART is an application that is used for photo editing, for editing pictures, but we can also use it to make graphic designs. So what happened is that what happened the other time is because the memory of my phone is filled up, so that's why I did not open. But now I'm opening it again. So when we want to use it for graphic design, we'll click the plus sign. We'll click the plus sign, then we click on draw. Then we will click on create new. Then we'll choose the type of paper we want to use. This is the type of paper. This is the size. So we're gonna choose this one by one. Now it brings a blank page. So we're gonna click this arrow on the top, and we're gonna click on edit image. So it brings something like this. Now we're gonna work with this blank page. I told you that I'll be creating something like this. So I click on add photos. I want to add photos. I want to create something like this flyer. This is a flyer for a church, Dominion City. So I want to create something like this. So first of all is to create the background. Now this app has limitation. This is not like CorelDRAW. It has limitation. The limitation is once you create something and you click on this mark sign, this OK sign, this mark sign, it means what you've created, you cannot edit it again. So you can't go back and edit it. Let's continue. We'll get there. So we'll click this plus sign here to add anything. If we are adding our text, or if we're adding photos, we click add photos. So add photos. I'm choosing this and this. I want to work on the background. I want to work on the background. So you can see the way I'm moving this. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. So let's work with this one first. So this arrow sign is for expansion, expanding the picture and reducing it. Then this sign is for rotating it. You want to rotate your picture, so we have something like this. Then I'll click the OK sign. So I want to add another photo. We come here and click add photo. Then it takes us to our gallery, and here this photos this background I'm using, I downloaded it. So you can also Google it out. You go to Google and download them. Download background, any background you want to use for your design. You can download it on Google. Just search for it and download it. So I'm going to use a feature here that will blend the background below with the background on top. It's called blend. So this is it. We have different types. We have normal, we have screen, we have darken, overlay, hard. So you can see screen gave us something like this. Multiply give us something like this. Darken give us something like this, depending on what you want to create. Then lighting give us something like this. Overlay, hard. So I think we are going to use, let's use screen. So I think we are done with the background. Yes. So let's add the logo. Now we're going to add the logo of the church. The logo of the church have already been, I downloaded it. I downloaded the logo of the church, and remember the app I used, that app remove background, to remove the background, to remove whatever is in the background of the logo. And we have something like this. I'm going to show you the logo of the church now. My phone is filled up. I don't have any space at all on it. So that's why it's really slow. I'm looking for the background of I'm looking for the logo, the church logo. I'm looking for the church logo. I'm not seeing it. Okay, let's use this is the logo of the pastor. Let's use this one. Actually, this is my church. This is the logo of our sorry, this is our pastor. As you can see, I remove the background. I remove the background. And we have something like this. So I'm gonna place the picture here. Yes, that's the picture of our pastor. Then we are still looking for the logo of the church. The logo of the church. My phone is really slow, really slow. Very slow. I wish I had enough memory on my enough space on my phone. It's just too slow. Man. Oh. Yes. This is the logo, but we cannot use this because it's having a white background. We're going to remove the background. So we're going to look for the one that is having no background. I'm going to use the one that has no background. Yes, this one has black background, but if we had it, so our page, we see that it has no background because the background has been removed. Whenever the background is removed from an object, from a picture, the background is always the background that will be showing at in your gallery will always be black. But when you now want to make use of it, you now see that the background, you now see that actually there's no background there. So this is it. We have the logo for the church. So now we want to impute text. So this is the text. You click on add text to add your text. Dominion City. So this is the text. We have different type of font. You can change your font. You can change the color. When you click on color, you can change the color. I'm going to be using black. I'm changing the font to this. Dominion City. Dominion City. I want to use present. Dominion City present. So our present should also be in black, but the font should be different. So I'm using this font. I'm reducing it. Let me bring out the design that we are using so that it will be easy for us. So this is the design. So now we can see. Now let's create the date and the time. You click on text, then you click on dash. Okay, let's use this one. I want to use this color. I want to make something different from this. You can see what I'm doing. I'm rotating this dash. I'm expanding it. You rotate it and make sure it's straight. Then I put it here. Then I'm going to be imputing the date 13th December 2020. Okay, let's change the font. As you are doing this, make sure it's not affecting the picture, because you can mistakenly click on the picture too. So I will reduce this so that it can enter and fit into that shape that is there. I need to reduce it a little bit. So we have it. You will click on in the middle, you can drag it. Yeah, so we have something like that. Then our time, 8 a.m. It's too big. We'll reduce it. So there's something I did to the time. You can see I stroked it. So when you click on stroke, we have something like this. Then you can reduce the thickness of the stroke. Yes, as we can see, it gives our time more visibility. So we're going to create the image, this the instrument, the drum, the saxophone, and the other instrument. So here we're going to go to our gallery. I already downloaded them. I downloaded them. Then after I downloaded them, I downloaded them, and I use for some of them, like this speaker, I use remove background to remove the I use the remove background app to remove to remove the background from the picture. Then you can also download transparent. You can download transparent, anything transparent. If you want, like for instance, if you want to download drum now, all you just need is to type in the search button of your Google, transparent drum PNG. So I already have some of these things downloaded, so I'm going to click on the speaker. Yeah, this is the speaker. I'm going to click on the other instrument. Yeah, these are them. So I'm making use of the harp, the saxophone, the drum, and the trumpet. I selected all of them. So let's get this out first. So as we can see, we have 4 images here. So we're going to place them. This one I'm going to rotate it like this. I don't like this. I don't like. So I'm doing it like this. Yeah, our harp is too big. We're going to reduce the size. It's too big. I reduce the size. Then I click on the drum so that the drum will now be. I click on the speaker. Yes, you can see what I'm doing. If I click on the trumpet, it will be above the speaker. But if I click on the speaker, it will be. It's not the speaker that will be above. So this is our drum. Let's fix it in. Click on the speaker. Yeah, we have something like this. So let's type our special. Special is black. This is it. So I don't like this special. It's too thin. So I'm going to add more thickness to it by clicking on stroke. Yes, this is it. And I'm going to reduce the thickness. So I like this. This is it. Special. This is where we have the complication. If you are clicking, so I'm going to click the OK sign so that to make all these things to be stable. So you can see they are not moving again. Without the OK sign, everything will just be moving up and down. So I'm typing special again. Okay, let's make use of this font. You can also bend it. I'm creating something different from, I don't want to create photocopy. So year end, capital letter. Year end. Year end Thanksgiving. So I'm using another color. So if you click on this thing that's looking like biro, it can make use of any color on your background. You can make use of this color, you can make use of any color. So we're going to make this, it's too large, we're going to reduce it and make it to be small. We can increase the height and reduce it. We can also bend it a little. It's not clear enough, yes, but we can also stroke it. I want us to stroke it. We can stroke it, yes. As you can see now, it's showing. I think I like this color, no need to change. So let's write shouts of joy. Shouts of joy. So let's use something like this. Well, let's use black. Let's use black first. So I don't like this font, we are going to change it. So let's use something like this. I click on the stroke and we have something like this. You can reduce it. Bring this down a little bit. So let's our venue. You can create something like this. I want to use something different. can change the font of the dash sign and use another color. Can reduce it. So let's put venue there. This venue is too large. We're going to reduce it. Yeah. So we have it here. So venue. Let's just use this. Make it black. And we'll change the font. So let's put the numbers. Inquiries. Okay. Let's change the font. Reduce. Change the color and reduce it. So we have something like this. Yeah, this is it. This is our design. So we click the OK button and we save to private. You can save to your gallery also. So this is it. and we go to our gallery. We have what we just created.